Permiso, gracias.
May I, thank you, and forgive me. These words are easier said than done, but they are absolutely necessary. They are words connected to being well-mannered, expressing a genuine sense of respect and a desire for good, so they are far from any hypocrisy or falsehood.
These ways of behaving open a space for forgiveness and harmony in the family. If we follow the counsel of the Holy Father, certainly everything will be different in our families.
El Señor nos lo enseña en el Padre
The
Nuestro.
Lord teaches us in the Our Father to accept our mistakes. Correcting ourselves is the first step toward healing. Husbands and wives, if there should arise among you arguments and quarreling, never end the day without reconciliation, without making peace.
Nunca el día sin reconciliarse, sin hacer la paz. Benedicat vos, omnipotens Deus, Pater, Filius, Spiritus Sanctus.
Amen.